Alright, welcome everyone, Glacier Guy, Rocket Glacier as always. Last week we did Rivals, now we're going to go into Kaladesh. See if we can get any sweet pulls out of this. I did open one Kaladesh pre-release kit a long time ago and one Aether Revolt, but unfortunately we only got the Kaladesh one. But I think like this pre-release kit's pretty awesome. So you push down to unlock, and then it just, oh yeah, okay, so it just kind of pops open like this. So this is like an interesting mechanism that they had here. So what is our promo? So our promo is, ooh, Noxious Gear Hulk. There you go. Menace, whenever it enters the battlefield, you may destroy another target creature. If a creature is destroyed this way, you gain life equal to its toughness. That's pretty nice. That's a nice promo right there. All right, and let's see, we got like, oh, it's like how to make a little Thopter toy. So I'm not gonna deal with that, I'm gonna leave that in there. And then we got, congratulations, you have been accepted into the Inventors Fair, building a sealed deck. This is pretty nice. And it's got a nice little spacer. And then 6 packs of Kaladesh. And then we have a black spin down die with the Kaladesh symbol. So, let's see if we get any inventions. And let's kind of just see what kind of deck we can build. We'll just put all this back in here. Let's set that off to the side. I started playing again when Aether, just around the time Aether Revolt came out. So I did play some Kaladesh, and we have opened some Kaladesh on the channel. So if you want to see some booster boxes opening, check back in just the video archive. It's probably been over a year since we've opened Kaladesh, though. I think around there. Excuse me. Apologies for that. So we got Reunion. Well, let's do it in card color order. Fragmentize, I like Fragmentize. Failed Inspection. Demolish. Ornamental Courage. Fortuitous Find. Alright, so we got the colors all set up. Sky Skiff. It's a vehicle, flying, 2/3. Not bad. Actually, Sky Skiff is a pretty good card to put in a draft, or in a sealed pool. Windrake. Jana Operative. If I mess the names up, I apologize. We got Drakata Pillarbug, so a little uncommon. Filigree Familiar, okay. Oh, that's our first uncommon. Second uncommon, Hazardous Conditions. Creatures with no counters on them get -2. Oh, that could be pretty good. Inventor's Apprentice. Gets +1/+1 as long as you control artifacts, so you're probably going to always have this as a 2/3. And our rare is Concealed Courtyard. Okay, alright. Interesting. There's the battlefield tapped unless you control 2 or fewer other lands, so you want to play this early. That's pretty good. It's I always like dual lands, even if the pool doesn't support the color. Definitely like dual lands. Can help put our Noxious Gear Hulk on a play. All right, we got we got Eddy Tail Hawk, pretty good. White, Subtle Strike. Attune with the Aether. Let's see, Giant Spectacle, Impeccable Timing. I always like Impeccable Timing. Pretty good wall, Flying Wall. Oh, we got a foil in here. Let's see, Curio Vendor. Yeah, it's just a 2/1 for 2. Riparian Tiger. Trample, enters the battlefield, you get, okay, yeah, it's pretty good. It's a 4/4. Another Vehicle Crew 4 Menace. This one's a little harder, but not impossible. Underhanded Design, it's enchantment. I'm not going to read all the cards. Consulate Surveillance. Era of Innovation. And our rare is Toolcraft Exemplar. Beginning your combat on your turn if you control an artifact. It gets +2/+1 until end of turn if you control 2 or 3 more artifacts against first strike until end of turn. So there you go. And a 9th Bridge Patrol foil. Whenever another creature control leaves the battlefield, put a 1/1 counter. Okay, so if you're like flicker it back to your hand or whatnot. Or if it dies. So we got our Eddy Tail Hawk. There we go. I like that. A little Westphal Wingsmith. Attune with the Aether. Let's see. Drakata Scavenger. Chandra's Pyrohelix. Prophetic Prism. Pretty good color fixing. Die Young. Self-Assembler. Gear Seeker Serpent. 1 less to cast for each artifact control. Okay. Can't be blocked. That's pretty good bomb if we were playing in blue. like blue artifacts. Fire Puzzler's Knot. Aether Torch Renegade. It's pretty nice. Servo Expedition. Create 2. Yeah, Servo Expedition is pretty good. Diabolic Tutor. Black's looking pretty good. And our rare is, Sky Sovereign Console Flagship. It's a mythic. Nice. Flying. Whenever enters battlefield attacks, it deals 3 damage to target creature or planeswalker an opponent controls. Yeah, this is probably going to go in there. Okay, and then we got our forest and a servo token. Yep. All right, 3 more packs. That Sky Sovereign Console Flagship. That would definitely be a 6/5 for flying with crew 3. Probably going to go in there. All right, we got Thriving Turtle. I'm trying to put them in like color order, but also at the same time hold them where I'm supposed to hold them. Ruinous Gremlin. Subtle Strike. Okay. The Seed Sculptor. Ooh, another Fireforged Puzzle Knot. Okay. Renegade Tactics. Another Renegade Freighter Vehicle. Pressure Point. Bastion Mastodon. Okay. Welding Sparks. Demolition Stomper. I don't know about that one. Nature's Way. Yeah, that's pretty good. Target creature you control gains vigilance and trample on turn, deals damage. Yeah, it's not bad. Creeping Mold. Creeping Mold's pretty good. Oh, we got, what is this? Avila Pascreen Life Sager. Human Artificer, create a 1/1 colorless servo token. Create an excess colorless construct artifact creature token. Okay, it's not bad. And what else we got below here? Okay, just a Mountain Ornithopter. All right, we got 2 more packs. All right, so we got another Hawk. Pretty good Hawk amount. Almost at 3 or 4 now. The Blade Master. Another Gremlin. Herald of the Fair. A little Aetherborn action. Ooh, another Attune with the Ether. Metal Spinner's Puzzle Knot. We got the Pema Outrider. Narma Cobra. Let's get some Death Touch in here. Another Windwreck. Windwreck's always good. Aerial Responder. Make Obsolete. This is pretty good. Console Shield Guard. Bristling Hydra for a rare. Alright. Just going to put it over there. Last pack. We going to get an invention? Probably not. It'd be cool. It'd be really, really climactic, actually. Whew. Thriving Grubs. Another Hawk. I think we're definitely going to go with a Hawk. Maybe a Hawk energy strategy. Maybe white. I'm thinking white-green, maybe. It's possible. With some artifacts. Another Blade Master. Ruinous Gremlin. Appetite for the Unnatural. Yeah, nice green. Mine Rot. Okay. Workshop Assistant. Yep. Hunt the Weak. Ooh, yeah, green's looking good. Torch Gauntlet. Operative's not bad. Gets Death Touch. Aetherborn Rogue. Nice. Sky Shot, or Sky Whaler's Shot. Okay, I want to see a Sky Whale. We got Perpetual Timepiece. What's our rare? Another Concealed Courtyard. Okay. All right, so interesting. All right, so nope, no inventions, but we did get some pretty sweet pulls. Let's see, where is it? We definitely got the console Sky Ship. Let's see, we got Bristling Hydra. Yeah, I don't know, thinking. Did we get a white rare? I don't know if we got a white rare. Let me pull this open again. Okay, we did get a white rare. Okay, all right. So hold on, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that should be our rares. I don't think we didn't get a foil rare. No. All right. So of our rares, what would I more than likely be playing? I don't know if I'd play black white. Maybe not black white. Diabolic Tutor's good though. Let's see. Let's sort these by commons and uncommons. Maybe I would go 3-color? I don't know. See, normally in pre-releases I just do stupid stuff. Like go make a 3-color deck. Let's see, we got, how many operatives we got? We have 2 operatives. 2 subtle strikes. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe the Diabolic 2 is not worth it. Probably not. So probably wouldn't use the Concealed Courtyards. But as far as white is concerned, well, we definitely got a lot of fast flyers. So flying, 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 flying. Oh yeah, we got four hawks that can give us flying. We got some pretty good instant speed removal. And then we can come down early with our flyers. So boom. So we got some flyer action here. We can make some servos. We definitely have some other artifacts in here that could be pretty useful to green and white. Some self-assemblers, some color fixing, flying with defender or defender with reach. So yeah, that'd probably go. I probably would go like green, white, with like an energy sub theme. That would be pretty good. Good, not bad. Good, a little good. Yeah, oh yeah, probably, yeah. That's what I'm thinking. And I don't know, maybe if I could splash in some black just to play the Noxious Gearhulks. I could use the Concealed Courtyards for the white portion of the green white and still have the black, and maybe put like 2 extra swamps in here. So yeah, I could probably do that. Probably splash the Noxious Gearhulk and maybe splash in a couple more blacks. So yeah, maybe 3 color with like a light splash for Noxious Gearhulk. Ooh, put in hazardous conditions. I'd have to see if that's really affected my thing with counters. I'm not 100% sure if I'd want to do the hazardous conditions. But yeah. Well, anyways, let me know what you would get, and yeah, see y'all around. Have a good day. Later.